In this video, we're going to talk about how to sort a list of Python dictionaries by values in the dictionary. Now, this is another instance of Python having a very elegant syntax. So here I've got a list of characters, maybe for D&D, who knows. They have names, ages, classes, and hit points. And so I'm going to import from the operator module the item getter. And it was built for this. It will get an item from a dictionary. And so here we go. I'm going to do sorted. And within sorted, because it's a complex object, I pass in a key. And the key is a function. It can be a lambda function. It can be a function defined somewhere else, like itemgetter, that will return a value. And then it sorts based on that value returned by the key. And here you can also do reverse is true. Otherwise, it would do least hit points to greatest hit points. And I want the strongest characters to the weakest characters. So I'm going to do sorted with that item getter on hit points. And it comes back, and sure enough, Conan has the most hit points, followed by Merlin, followed by Zach. Now, what if you forget about that good old operator module? It's a little weird. Not everybody knows about it. Well, you can always put in a lambda here, and that lambda, it just has to return the value that you want sorted to work on. So here I'm going to sort based on class, and it's barbarian, followed by cleric, followed by magician. So they're in alphabetical order. Hope you learned something. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button so I can reach more people and help them too. And I'll see you in the next video.